In this particular video, we will look into the details of eukaryotic cell. Initial point of eukaryotic cell is what? It has a well-defined nucleus. It will have double membrane around the nucleus, and that is why we call it eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell will be present in 5 kingdoms. The first kingdom was Monera, and the kingdom Monera has prokaryotic cells. So eukaryotic cells will be present in the later 5 kingdoms. The first is Protista, second is fungi, third is plantae, and fourth is animalia. So these are the 4 kingdoms which have eukaryotic cell. Another important feature is extensive compartmentalization of cytoplasm. So as we know that prokaryotic cell do not have membranous organelles, but eukaryotic cell have a lot of membranous organelles. So what these membranous organelles do, these divide the cytoplasm into small compartments, and that is why we say that eukaryotic cells have extensive compartmentalization of cytoplasm. Another important feature of eukaryotic cell is that the eukaryotic cells are not identical. The point to be remembered here is that the prokaryotic cells are identical, but eukaryotic cells are not identical. Why these are not identical? A major example is plant cell and animal cell. There are a lot of differences which are present in plant and animal cells. Some of the major differences are that plant cells have cell wall. Cell wall is never present in animal cell. Plant cells will have plastids. Plastids are chloroplasts. Plant cells will have vacuole, but these 3 parts are not present in animal cell. What does animal cell have? It has the centrioles or centrosome, and this will not be present in plants. So as we see that plants and animal cells are different. Now first, the diagram of both plant cells and animal cells are given. Here we will look into the differences. So we say that plant cells have cell wall. So this is the cell wall which is present, which will be absent in the case of animal cell. We say that plant cells have plastid, that is the chloroplast. So chloroplast are present over here. This is the chloroplast which is shown here, this small structure. Third is the vacuole. So this large structure, central vacuole, will be present in plant cell. Plant cell will also have a structure which is called as plasmodesmata. So these small red dots are what? These are the plasmodesmatas which are shown over here. Now we talk about animal cell. Animal cell will have centrioles. So this is the centriole or centrosome which is seen. Also, one important thing which is to be seen in this particular diagram is the presence of microvilli. So these small finger-like projections are the microvilli which are shown in this particular diagram.